Good morning, Anand. I'm making this video to tell you about a method that was inspired from the creators of South Park, Parker and Stone. And they've been doing some presentation and lectures about how you write a story. And they have this concept called the beat causality. I don't know if you've heard about that, but it's a very unique approach on how you write stories. So they have this thing called beats. So beats are actual events that happen in your story, and a collection of beats makes a scene. And a beat, for example, could be an event like John goes to the supermarket. And what they talk about is that in between two beats, if you have the words and then, they tell you that your beats are put in a sequence that is quite boring. It's chronological. So John goes to the supermarket, and then he buys a pint of milk, and then he pays, and then he goes. Quite boring. This is chronology. Instead, they talk about this concept of putting words like and therefore, but, because. Now, instead of it being chronological from one beat to the other, it's more causation. So, for example, John goes to the supermarket, but he forgot his wallet, and therefore he had to steal the pint of milk. As a result, the police are running after him. So this type of causation between beats creates more thrilling sensation in the story rather than the boring sequential chronological aspect. And this is how they write their stories, whether it is the Book of Mormon or whether it is South Park. It's quite useful when you use those and therefore, like cause and effect within your beats, to make the story more thrilling. So inspired by that, we've created a method which I believe can help on how we position our RFP responses, even our point of views report for proactive pitches, even how we script our oral to tell a story to the client, which makes it more engaging. Because to be frank, we are very good technologically. We are a mature organization, Infosys that is. We know about the technology, we know about the solution, we can do it very well. But the victors are those who can tell a better story. For example, Charles Darwin was not the first guy with the origin of species, but he was the one who told the story much better than the others. And for us, in Strategic Large Deal 2.0, I think storytelling will be an extremely important aspect of winning more deals. So I took the story of Parker and Stones from the South Park, the beats, it's called beats causation, and created a method that I've given to the 7 LLMs to execute on a problem statement or a proposed solution or any input text within Magian. And today I wanted to show that to you because I think we can use that to make our story better in front of the clients to maximize our probability of win. So I'm going to show that to you now. So as you click on the tick, you have all the different projects. There's a project I call Large Deal 2.0. Clicking on that, I've been working on some bits and pieces for the large deal. As you can see, it's a big mind map, which I will write a report and show to you. But for the time being, just to show how the beats work, we click on the problem statement. And as you can see, this is the description of the problem statement. To enhance Infosys's market position, we aim to increase our win rate for strategic large deal and mega IT services deal by 20% within the last 12 months. The 20% is a variable. We can change that. Even the 12 month. This will be achieved by restructuring our strategic large deal team operation, rebranding our value proposition, and implementing large deal 2.0 initiatives. And this is the problem statement. So when you go to the advanced tool, you click on that, you will see that there are several tools, but one tool is called Beats. And that Beats is the representation of that concept of in between two beats, you need to have the causation, and that is more engaging. So when you tap on the icon and you click on the tick, this input text, which is the problem statement, is given to the 7 LLM, including O1, which has reasoning, and click on the thumbs up. This will be added to your mind map. This is the source. You close this. And as you can see, there's beats here. The red one is the latest node added to the mind map. So you click on that and it will tell you the setup. This is the beat. In today's rapidly evolving IT landscape, securing large and mega deals is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. Infosys strategic large deal team plays a pivotal role in driving our market presence. That's the beat. But traditional approach to managing large deals are no longer sufficient in the face of increasing competition and shifting client expectation. Our current operations are hindered by siloed team, outdated value proposition, and lack of agility. Therefore, the solution to overcome these obstacles, we're embarking on a comprehensive transformation. This involves restructuring our operation, rebranding. These are just examples. Of course, it will be different as we put more information, and launching that. And then the rationale, because this strategic overhaul is essentially because it addresses the core limitation and have impeded our growth. By restructuring our operation, we eliminate inefficiencies and create more. And this is the rationale. And then the closing beat, the call to action, embracing this transformation journey will position Infosys as a leader. So as you can see, it has transformed this into the setup, the opening of the beat, the but, the therefore, which is a solution. And as you can see here, it proposes integrating an AI-driven analytics will enhance our ability to identify and pursue high potential deal. This is related to your Goldilocks type of deal, rather than spray and pray, while adopting design thinking principles. So it gives even some cues towards some solution. After the therefore, there's the rationale, because, and then the closing beat. So if you think about any important piece of information within our RFP, where we can transform that using the beat causation approach, this will be more engaging and more thrilling for us to tell a story to the client, and hopefully allow us to improve our probability of win as part of the large deal 2.0 initiative. Let me know what you think. Thank you.